Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this vlog. I am going to take you guys along for the next couple of days, and I have a lot of exciting work things, a lot of exciting personal things, so I thought what better weekend than to break out the vlog. So today is Friday, and on today's agenda I have a buyer consultation with someone that I knew from high school, taking advantage of my back to school promo that I'm doing for this month, which is awesome. And then I have a branding day with my friend Sadie. We do this a couple times a year. We get a bunch of outfits, a bunch of props, and we take branding photos for at least the next quarter of the year. So I'm gonna take y'all a little behind the scenes. It's honestly one of my favorite parts about being a realtor is going in beautiful homes and taking beautiful photos. And then I'm gonna follow up with my buyer who is coming in town from out of state in just a couple of weeks, do some more research on what neighborhoods would be best to take them to while they're here. And then I need to wrap some baby gift presents for one of my friends who's having her baby shower tomorrow, which I am so excited for and so happy for her and her little family. But in any event, so I need to do that. And then I think Austin and I will just have a little movie night, hopefully break out a frozen pizza, a bottle of wine, and just have ourselves a little at-home date night. Awesome. Alrighty, I'm here with my friend Sadie, and we're gonna do our little branding photo shoot. She has an awesome camera, and she's just awesome herself, so. Alrighty, you guys, I am back home, and that was so much fun, but I'm also so exhausted and kind of have a slight headache. But in any event, now I'm just going to be sitting here and working on some marketing material. I help some agents on the side with their marketing and whatnot. So this girl just called me and was like, I need to sell this house and I need help with marketing, and I don't know how to work Canva. So I'm working on some stuff for her real quick, and then I'll probably get some dinners started. I think I'm gonna make fettuccine Alfredo. We bought a bunch of chicken from Costco and we grilled it up and froze it all and vacuum sealed it. So I defrosted one of those packs of chicken. So that's already cooked. So I feel like putting some noodles and some sauce together would make it wonderful. Alrighty, you guys, it is now Saturday and we just got back from our friend's baby shower, and I thought it was wonderful, and I hope that she just honestly feels showered with love. So in any event, we were going to play with this kid and get his energy out, and I think we're gonna organize our garage and grill up some steaks tonight and just have ourselves a Saturday. Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. We are headed to church right now, and we're running late, usually, as always. And Austin forgot his journal, so we're just doing great today.
Great.
Yes. But in any event, we're excited to go to church. It's just right down the road, so it's super convenient. And yeah, we'll take y'all along for the day. This is where our permanent location of our church is going to be built. So right now our church is meeting in a high school auditorium, but right across the street they just cleared the land to build our church. Alrighty, you guys, I am at my open house now and I just set everything up, but this is the cutest house and this is exactly what Austin and I want to purchase next. So I just am in all of it. Now I wish that we were in a position to buy our next house. We're trying to save up because we want to rent out our current property, so we're not trying to sell it. But it is just the cutest house in the most adorable neighborhood, so I'm going to show you guys around. Already, I am done with my open house and it was a success actually. I had probably like 14-ish buyers that came through, and one of them hopefully is going to be working with me, so that is exciting. And now we are obviously heading to golf. We are golfing at St. John's Golf and Country Club, which is one of our favorites in town. So who do you think is gonna win is the real question. Austin or me? Me. So go ahead and comment and we will obviously update you when we're done. Alrighty, y'all, it is the next day and I'm going to wrap up this video here. For anyone wondering, I did beat Austin. I did not play good, but I played better than him. But we had a lot of fun and that is all that truly matters. So sorry if I didn't get to vlog as much as I had intended for this video, but regardless, I hope you still enjoyed it. And I really appreciate you guys watching more than you know, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.